And apparently, yesterday, according to a post on X, formerly Twitter, the Transport Minister Darrell Vaz informed the public he was making it known to the public that they have had to take action against a bus driver for several speeding violations on the first day of the rollout. Several speeding violations. And he said in the interest of transparency, he was making the information known to the public. According to Minister Vaz, the driver was recorded violating the speed limit 14 times. Can you believe that? 14 times on Monday. He also shared the image of a tracking system that generates a driving behavior report. You don't have that image, yeah, where the you see the computer generated image where this driver was violating the speed limit 14 times. According to the tracking system, it captures total distance covered, total engine run, time spent idling, speeding, and harsh braking, meaning the braking utilization of the brakes. Minister Vaz described the infractions as unacceptable. Yeah? And according to Minister Vaz, the technology being used in the buses works, and the government is committed to ensuring the highest standards